Make a great choice today with the 2018 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $75,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power sunroof, remote engine start, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, traction control, Bose sound system, dual airbags, air conditioning, chrome mirror caps. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.